Yo, we just want to big up IRFM and the whole of Jamaica and everybody who support Diplomats team right now.
Where was
Yeah, I'm the SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Agwama people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know before me jumping out, me I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And as well as you don't know, if a bless up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have life and we can drop the vlog here. Alright, and you don't see what going on the screen, my people. Valiant, I show up all I'm award them. And I have been covering the whole award show with IRFM and so on. I show you all the artists that he went up against and he came out victorious. He was nominated for about 7 or 8 awards and he got 4 out of that much. And you know, it's a great experience and he's pretty much giving thanks. And while he was giving thanks, Valiant show a like a shade. I'm gonna make on the ear exactly what going on that, people. But the whole thing has been hot because there were some threats that went out towards Valiant. That's on Briscoe side, wherein Briscoe say, yo, Valiant can't do no more dunce track and all of them things. So Valiant did actually release a reply for all of that. Him dropped that yesterday, my people. So we're gonna just get in at that and come back talk about the awards.
I mean, I don't say alive. I mean, said don't alive. I want father. Oh, but I mean, you know, fire rifle charge, you quick, we shot, boy, what a easy target. Plug out the sun of darkness. Yo, so Chappy, they done this video. It done edit up and thing already, though. Oh, that's all Lagos on other hits, don't it? Alright. Yo, Biggie. Touch the road tonight. I got like just one roll beside me, right?
So, you hear that one, the people, and we did cover this yesterday. Brawling. You understand? He basically replied to the whole thing with Briscoe saying, I say, yo, and me, what you talking about? And me say dunce, you understand? So that for that, my people. And then that take me over to this update now because I feel CM Briscoe Valiant a show shade pan, you understand? One time him said this, my people. I'm gonna drop the video your phone right now and we're gonna just come back and tell me anything about it, alright?
We have come forward from enough disappointment, but it's really encourage all Diplomats team to really go harder. And since enough people support the thing and people appreciate the work what we are putting, you see me I say? So this 2023 we are give the fans them what they want here. We don't respond to it. Nobody have to say we just do we and we do ourselves same way, you know that? Yeah. I have some bag of flour I give away for some people too, you know. I have some bag of flour I give away for some people too, you know. Yeah. They want to borrow some flour, but you know, yeah, I love on Jamaica, you know, and respect, you know. Man I live like Rasta. No beef, no past.
That's what the G say. Alright, and you don't know, first of all, I want to big up all them fans, them, big up everybody, because it takes help to get him to where he's at right now. So I'm gonna show some love, my people. You understand? And we just have to be, you know, have to big him up for all of that. Alright, so people, there was a lot of speculations around the video that was done, right? I'm gonna show you, before we even jump in, I'm gonna show you the people them that Valiant went up with against most of these awards. Stay tuned.
The nominees for Male DJ of the Year are Massacre.
That is it. Alright, so right as I'm needing for coming now, my people, get the comment section active, please. Because a lot of persons are saying because Valiant no boss a year yet, them not think him should have win the, you know, them award here in terms of for the year, basically. So I don't share the same view. You understand? Me I say big up yourself, Valiant. More to come, my G. You understand? But tell me anything about that. You understand? It's a very touchy topic because it did go up against some top people, especially people who did do a lot of work last year in a 2022. So make me know what you think. Alright, wanna tell me what you think about that. Tell me what you think about that. Say brawling, and for anybody who listen to and want some flow and all of them some of the hear the G say him have some flow and some style when you can circle him. Anyway, people, tell me what you think about that. A Briscoe him attack or which entertainer I'm really attack. You understand? And you must can hear in the background what the beat Valiant new tune, and people it gonna be out shortly. You know, look out, just go up on YouTube, it gonna drop before the day done, my people. You understand? Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Bad tune, my people. You understand? You don't know, you know, people. We did want to get another quick update here today. So, maybe gonna just stay locked to Jamaican Chat and like up that video here, share up that video here, and for all of my new listeners, them, everybody will listen and not subscribe, me I beg you to subscribe on that one here. You understand? Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat, I'm out, my people.
Mystical being of life. We're trying to measure the earth, sun, land, water, all terrestrial and aquatic things that shall be of past. Yes. And I think Valiant is a great and wonderful guy.
Conspicuously.
He articulates his words in some formal way that the Jamaicans and the world shall see.
We are going to check the ancestors.
Yes, yo. Call out to the ancestors. Woo! Call out to the ancestors. Woo!